and the tortoise.
Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the regular updates.
One day, a tortoise was resting under a tree on which a bird had built its nest. The tortoise spoke to the bird mockingly.
What a shabby home you have! It is made up of broken twigs. It has no roof and looks crude. What's worse is that you had to build it yourself. I think my house, which is my shell, is much better than your pathetic nest. Yes, it is made of broken sticks, looks shabby, and is open to the elements of nature. It is crude, but I built it, and I like it. I guess it's just like any other nest, but not better than mine,
Said the tortoise.
You must be jealous of my shell though.
On the contrary, the bird replied,
My home has space for my family and friends. Your shell cannot accommodate anyone other than you. Maybe you have a better house, but I have a better home.
said the bird happily. The moral of the story is better a crowded hut than a lonely mansion. If you're enjoying watching videos on our channel, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel Learn with Fun. Thank you.